What if the way you connect with others could feel instantly safer, more honest and authentic? Most of us were never really taught how to meet another human being from the space of truth. We learn how to please, how to perform, how to hide parts that feel too much. But what if there were a simple map, a way to bring clarity and safety into any connection so that your nervous system could finally relax and love can actually flow? That's what I talk about inside RBDSMA conversation training, a practice I call Tantra for real life. In this short training, you will learn how to start an honest, heart-opening conversation that can bring you to a deeper level of intimacy. It's a structure that brings safety from the very first moment. You will explore 6 simple keys: relationship status, boundaries, desires, safety, meaning, and aftercare. Each one help you connect with truth instead of performance. Imagine being able to speak your truth without fear. Imagine feeling your whole body relax because you finally know where you stand. Imagine turning awkward moments into real intimacy. This isn't theory. It's an embodied tool you can use tonight with a new date, with your long-term partner, or even a friend who is ready for deeper connection. It's as simple, it's practical, and it works. Try it, and you will never relate the same way again.